Homeless YouTube. First day signing back in here. Happy now. All is now. It's a gift to be in the present. Okay. It is currently Jupiter day in the space and location where I'm at. Okay, and it is 333 as I make this video. So Horus will be transiting the 5th house in the sky. So I want to ask myself a question. Why can't you go to school and learn astrology? This is the question I've been asked. Okay? This is a question that I've been asked when I come across other aspects of myself and I ask them, and I tell them that I affirm myself to be a good astrologer and that I study astrology, and these aspects of myself ask me, well, why don't you go to school to learn astrology? Why is it that, you're not going to school for astrology? Well, I'll elaborate. When I was in 8th grade, I studied astronomy, okay? When I was in 8th grade, I studied astronomy, and this is, that we could say more left brain, okay? So there's astronomy. The difference between astronomy and astrology is that they're showing you the distance between these planets from the Earth. So astronomy will enlighten you on how far the Earth is. These planets such as Mercury, the Sun, Pluto, Mars, all these planets, they enlighten you on how far these planets are from the Earth. Okay? But astrology is the effect these planets have on us on a day-to-day basis. Okay? So this is the difference. If you are confused between the left and the right brain, this is the difference. Okay? So, and yeah, that's an experience I had to have because your experiences are your spiritual experiments. So yeah, let me ask myself, why is it that I don't, go to school for astrology? Well, if you didn't know now, I will enlighten you and tell you that they do not teach astrology in school. Okay? This is why I do not go to school to learn astrology. So, just me having the necessary placements that I have, okay? I've put myself in situations where, I've learned about astrology, and just me having the placements I have, I'm always being put through the experience of learning about astrology. So it's never just an ending on learning astrology. From my perspective, astrology is everything. Okay, if you are breathing, you are astrology. You are Aries through Pisces. Okay, so yeah, this is making it plain and simple. They do not teach astrology in school. Okay, so this is why we have to find astrologers on the internet, and certain astrologer you come across, they just give their interpretation, and whenever you learn from that astrologer, it's just the information you take. Okay, whatever you take what you get from these astrologers on the internet. So in the soul group, us as a soul group, We could say we are all astrologers. Okay, so this is, you know, we all have this knowledge and wisdom on astrology. Not only do we have the knowledge on astrology, but we use it on our day-to-day, on our daily affairs. Okay, so yeah, I affirm to be an astrologer, and you can't go to school for it. So, yeah, that's just cutthroat, straight to the point. And yeah, and we mix our astrology with our spirituality because we are spiritually inclined. Catch you next now.